What if your drone didn't just follow you, it anticipated you? What if it could compose the shot before you even saw it? The aerial photography revolution is entering a new era in 2026. We've moved beyond 8K and obstacle avoidance. We're now talking about drones with true autonomous creativity, cameras that see like the human eye, and technology that makes professional cinematography accessible to everyone. I've analyzed the leaks and the patents, and what's coming will change filmmaking forever. These are the drones that will define 2026. Number 1. Upgraded large screen remote GPS. No phone required. The upgraded remote features a 4.5-inch LCD display and comes with a 32GB SD card, allowing you to record and view footage directly. You can also connect to your smartphone for image transmission, just like the previous generation. Fall-resistant and sturdy design, built with reinforced materials and a strong forearm structure, this drone is optimized through countless durability tests. Its enhanced body provides better crash resistance, saving you money in the long run. Hassle-free auto connection, simply power on the remote and drone, they connect automatically without Wi-Fi setup. Flying has never been this easy. Safe drone with auto return home. As a safe GPS drone, it has the safe auto return home functions. Whether it is lost connection, lost signals or low battery, it will return home safely with GPS positioning to ensure its return reliability, protecting your investment at all times. 2K HD camera with 130 degrees electric adjustment. Upgraded G7 GPS drones capture breathtaking shots with a real 2K camera. Adjust the angle up to 130 degrees remotely, and save your photos, videos directly to the remote or smartphone. Number 2. V11 PRO Drone with 8K camera. With the advanced camera and 1/2 CMOS, million pixels, you can record breathtaking 8K images and 4K per 30 frames per second video directly onto your SD card, offering you an incredible shooting experience. The digital 5x zoom capability also provides greater detail of your view. The upgraded digital transmission system ensures a more stable flight view and a secure connection, providing you with peace of mind. Never lose sight of your drone during flight, as it extends your vision to an impressive 6 kilometers. The package includes 2 batteries, each capable of providing 40 minutes of flight time. Together, they offer a total of 80 minutes of airtime. The batteries support fast PD 3.0 charging, reducing your waiting time. Additionally, the batteries will automatically discharge after 48 days of non-use to ensure battery safety. The drone camera boasts a 3-axis gimbal and an EIS anti-shake system, ensuring crystal clear footage every time you capture. Equipped with a Sony camera featuring a 1/2 CMOS sensor, the drone elevates your shooting experience with bigly, taking your skills to new heights. Number 3. Skyrover S1 Mini Drone Combo. Ultralight and travel-friendly, weighing under 249 g*, Skyrover S1 slips easily into your bag, letting you fly in most countries or regions without registration or exams required. 4K per 60 frames per second clarity with Sony sensor, the mini drone with camera captures lifelike colors and crisp details with 1/2 Sony sensor and advanced image processing of Skyrover S1. 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Enjoy smooth, shake-free footage with the 3-axis gimbal of the drone with camera 4K, ensuring professional quality videos even in windy conditions or fast movements. Subject lock with auto track. Skyrover S1 minute drone with camera automatically follows your movement, keeping you in frame for hands-free shots during hikes, bike rides, or outdoor adventures. One-tap creation via SmartGo. SmartGo of the mini drone with camera enables effortless, professional camera moves for beginners and efficient creative shots for experts in any adventure scene. 40-minute flight time. The mini drone flies for up to 40 minutes per battery, or select Skyrover S1 bundle with 3 batteries for a total of 120 minutes and more shooting opportunities. Number 4. Upgraded professional drones with camera. If you damaged your drone, we always offer low-cost replacement parts in our store. We keep upgrading the app and tablet system for more features. Keep away from trees for drone safety. Avoid crashing trees. BingChat offers 1-year quality-free replacement support along with 3 years flight quality support. Based on our trusted after-sale support, our awesome drones have a high repurchase rate and referral rate from our customers. 2025 new upgraded tablet, touch screen controller with payload release, BingChat upgraded carbon fiber sticker drone with touch screen controller, Android system with Google support, can work as a tablet with WLAN, we can download any app from our Google Play Store, we can use social media, watch movies, play mobile games with it, just like a pad. Payload release and laser obstacle avoidance, innovative and unique functions. This 2025 new upgraded professional drone with payload release function and 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance functions, drones for adults, much more funny and safer drone. Number 5. N11 PRO 4K UHD GPS Camera Drone. Designed with a unique material composition, the N11 PRO is a remarkably valuable mid-sized GPS drone, not mini ones. Its weight is kept under 0.55 pounds, eliminating the need for FAA registration. This drone provides a perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA, making it ideal for capturing stunning footage on the go. Brushless motors and long flight time and control range. Enduring alloy brushless motors feature strong wind resistance and provides a faster, quieter while more powerful flight. Equipped with 3 batteries to provide up to 90 minutes of flight time, plus a long control range of 3,328 feet, let your drone swim in the sky freely. Dual positioning system optical flow positioning provides you a safer indoor flight, while GPS positioning gives a more free and stabilized outdoor flight. They also help the drone lock their height precisely and hover stably to take better photos or videos. With GPS system, the drone will automatically return home when battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Free your minds of losing the drone. And that is the incredible sky-high future waiting for us in 2026. The gap between amateur and professional is about to get even smaller. All the official teaser trailers, detailed spec leaks, and the very first pre-order links for these future drones are all waiting for you in the video description below. If you're ready to capture the world from a perspective you've never seen before, get ready, smash that like button, share this with your creative crew, and subscribe ** with notifications on, because the moment these drones are officially announced, I'll have the first flight tests. The sky is no longer the limit.